So, good morning everybody. You see me a bit stressed out, which is because of this morning. I took the plates off and went to the local authority to abmelden, to take the car officially off the road, and in a couple of minutes somebody is coming to pick the car up and probably to scrap it, take the engine out, use the gearbox and some usable parts. And that's the end of this beautiful car after only 385,000 kilometers. Somebody else is a bit sad here. And let's see how it goes. Sad times. Sad times. There it goes.